Hey everybody, we are about to start really getting to removing the transmission. So I am going to lift open the hood here and we are going to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery real quick. Let me get this thing up in the air. These hoods are so heavy. All right, let's get over here. And I believe it's either a 7 or an 8 millimeter socket. Yep, there we go. So that is an 8, I believe. Let me see. What is that? That's an 8 millimeter. So 8 millimeter socket. That thing is loose. We can take that off. Battery is disconnected. So let's go inside and we will start the process of getting the shifter out. Getting the shifter out in the console here is pretty easy. So first thing you're going to do is twist off the shift knob. There we go. Then you're going to open these two little cubbies. There we go. And I think you kind of want to turn this back a little bit, and you are going to like pull it up. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. I'm gonna use this other hand here. Just watched a couple other videos, and I think that was how they did it. I just pulled it up. Let me see if I can do it with two hands real quick. All right, it's taking a little fidgeting, but I think I got it. This thing was kind of stuck just from being here for however many years, and it's probably the first time it's ever come out. So you just pull up on this and right here behind the little cup holder. So not too hard. I'm going to use two hands to do it though. All right, here it goes. Pulling up. You just got to be careful. I think there's one little wiring deal right there. So let's get that connector off. Okay, we've got the one connector there, and I believe I see another one right under here. Yep. So we'll disconnect those as well, and then this whole thing should be able to come out. All right, the console is out, and got access to the shifter here, and I believe that's just gonna go completely out with the transmission when we drop it. Saw that there's some extra little connectors here, and I'm curious what they go to. One of them went up to here, but there is this one right here that wasn't hooked up to anything. So if you know, let me know. Maybe there's something cool that I could install in here. Also, this is where you want to begin if you're going to remove the radio, which is what we're going to do with this too. So you've got these 7 millimeter bolts right there, and then you should be able to just pull this whole faceplate off. So that's a video for another time. Our budget for this car is not going to allow us to run it with the replacement radio, but I may install one for when we're cruising this thing from Texas to Florida, and then swap in the factory unit when we're done. But anyway, that's for another time. So anyway, here is the console taken out. We should be ready to drop the transmission from below. Okay, stay tuned. I'm gonna close the door on this thing, and we are gonna get it back up in the air, and let's get that trans out.